Welcome to Lora, Inspire and Create, where we explore passion, jewelry, fashion, and the art of handmade style. Today's story is about a bracelet that was more than just jewelry. It was a message. A young woman came across a tutorial to weave a fidget bracelet. She made it for fun, threading colors she liked. But when her grandmother saw it, she smiled. Those exact colors matched the flag of her hometown, the place she had left decades ago. The woman decided to make more, each bracelet a mix of patterns and colors inspired by family stories. Soon, friends asked for their own, each one personalized with meaning. But here's the twist. One day, a stranger bought a bracelet at a local market. They came back crying, saying the colors matched the last scarf their late mother used to wear. That bracelet became their most precious possession. It turned out, what began as a casual craft project had become a way to preserve memories, culture, and love in tiny handmade forms. What colors would you choose for a bracelet that tells your story? Share below and subscribe to Lora. Inspire and create for more handmade inspiration.